Hey everybody, it's Mrs. Garza. Okay, this week we are going to start writing an informational essay or an expository essay. So, the way we're going to do this is we're going to be using the same set of slides for the next 3 weeks. Make sure that you are listening to the slides or to the video on each slide every day. That will help guide you through if you happen to miss a Zoom. But it's very important that you are showing up to all of our Zoom sessions as well. Okay. So this is an intro into our notebook. We will be using this notebook for the next few weeks. Like I said, you're only doing the pages that we assign for that day. If you get ahead, you're not going to be doing the assignment. You may not, most likely will not be doing the assignment correctly. And this is going to end as a major grade. So your end goal is I will be able to use the writing process to compose an informational essay. Over here on the right side, you are going to delete insert name and put your name in here as if it's our own writer's notebook that we would normally have in class. Okay, this slide is just a quick rundown of what we're going to be working on every day. So you just kind of have an idea of how we're pacing ourselves through this essay. And if you have any questions about anything, or if you're like, oh man, I need to go back to the notes practice, what day did we do that? You can help remember. So anyway, just to keep us on track, we have this calendar. Now, informational writing, it's important for you to understand what that is, or you might hear it be called expository. The genre is nonfiction, so it's based on true facts, and the purpose of writing in this way is to explain, to describe, to inform, or to define or compare and contrast. So all of those are examples of informational writing. When we do our essay, your essay needs to include these elements. Our first paragraph is our introduction, which is our thesis and lead. Second paragraph, or body paragraph number 1, is our first reason. We cite some evidence to back up our reason and we explain it. Body paragraph 2, typo. We have body paragraph 2 for our third paragraph, and we explain our second reason, cite evidence, and we give an explanation, and then we have our conclusion. So in our conclusion, I know this is kind of tiny, it's going out of the box, sorry. We restate thesis. We'll discuss conclusion more later. So those are the elements of your essay, and we will dig deeper into that as we progress through this. So here are a few sets of notes that we have already interacted with and that we have for you to reference as you write. We have capitalization notes, how to use a comma, simple compound sentences. We have that's it for the notes. Okay, so that is what you will be seeing. You'll see all of this first chunk of slides, 1 through 7. You will be referencing these periodically throughout the next few weeks. So keep in mind that you have these resources here at the beginning of these slides. If you forget, of course, we'll remind you. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and stop my video so that I can take a quick break and then teach you how to do leads and thesis on the next slide.